Welcome to Berkeley School of Business. This is an orientation seminar for the Certified Management Accountant. This is a degree which is offered by Institute of Management Accountant, USA. This is a highly recognized and accredited degree in the world. Who can do this CMA? This is the general question which we encounter every day when we deal with the students. You should be a bachelor degree holder if you want to do CMA. But if you are completing your bachelor or you are under bachelor, then there is no worry for you, because while filling the IMA form, there is an option that you can submit your document later after the examinations. So you can still join CMA program if you feel appropriate for you. Who takes CMA? It tells us the scope of the program. Generally, because this degree is for the management accountancy and it helps management to take effective decisions, so generally the owners, CEOs and the management accountant, financial controller, investment bankers, even the marketing and sales people along with the full-time, part-time students also join this program. Course structure of the CMA is very well designed. It is split into two parts. The part one is basically based on the concept of financial controlling and planning, performance and control, and while the part two is specifically focusing on the financial decisions and financial management. How we teach CMA at Berkeley? This is an important question to address now. We have divided CMA program into 20 lectures. Now, keeping in view the course structure in mind, we know that there are two parts and each part has 10 lectures in general. Now, these 10 lectures, on average, we have 3 hours to cover. So in 3 hours, one lecture, so total 20 hours will make you 60 hours course as a minimum requirement to comprehend the course structure. Let's discuss something about a little in-depth knowledge about the course itself. This course and this degree does not require any accounting background to start with this course. That's why we encourage from the different professions to pool up in our class. So once we sit in a class, we discuss, we have different mind and different exposures with us. So accounting knowledge is not a pre-mandatory, it's an open degree which anyone can join and anyone can take part into this. The course is designed in a well-mannered way that it will give you a comprehensive understanding. It will develop all the basic things which you are looking for. Starting in part one, we will start from the budgeting, which is very important nowadays, and no organization can work without having a master budget, which include in this degree in a very comprehensive way. We will study that what is a budget, how important it is for the organization, what are the types, what is master budget, sale budget, cash budget, and purchase budget, production budget, and how effectively we can use this budgeting for our day-to-day operations. Along with this, surely we are going to discuss the cost structure, which is fixed cost, variable cost, and so many costs like opportunity, imputed cost, and along with the cost accounting systems like absorption costing, total costing, and marginal costing, along with ABCs. So many methods we are going to discuss in the CMA program. Along with, we are going to have a responsibility accounting, profit centers, and in the part one we have 2 chapters of auditing, which will explain us that what is internal control, how to make a manual, and how effectively we can control the operations of the business. In part 2, which is morely focused on the finance, we are going to discuss the ratio analysis, which is a prerequisite to understand the health of a company. We're starting with all the financial statements we will take in and all the market variables, and we are going to apply and check the health of the company through applying the ratio analysis. And in ratios, we have a variety of ratios to calculate the profitability, and then we have the liquidity ratios, we have solvency ratios. Surely, as the course proceeds, we have something about pure finance, which is derivative, put options, call options, portfolio management, and it has how to manage the working capital, what is current assets, current liabilities, and what is liquidity, what is gearing. These all technical knowledge is well placed in this course, which is highly practical in nowadays, and how to take the investment decisions, what are the investment evaluation methods we have. So many things we are going to discuss in this course, which is very well designed, I must say this course is. What is the exam format and exam duration? This is a very important question. When we teach our courses, we go for the practice questions and mock examinations also, which comprises on the focus, like we have 100 multiple choice questions for each part, and we have 2 essay type, which is approx 30 minutes each. So the total duration of the examination for each part is 4 hours, which is split into 3 hours for multiple choice questions and 1 hour is for the essay type questions. What are the exam dates available with us is we have 6 months in a year in which we can plan our examinations. So apparently this is a very flexible sort of exam options we have. We can choose any date between January to February, and May and June, and September and October. So we have flexible options to appear in the examinations. All executives and students can schedule their examination based on their convenience. Where to give exams? This is an open question by the students and the executives who comes to our school. Well, it's the whole world is an examination center. Wherever you find a Prometric center, you can go for the examination. And in Dubai and Abu Dhabi also, we have this option to go for a Prometric center. So it's easy to give examination. You can book your exam through prometric.com/ICMA. What is the exam fee? What is the CMA official fee? This is a commonly asked question. First you join, you have to pay $410 to IMA through your credit card, or some other bank transfer options are available. So for the details, you can go to the official website www.ima.org.net. What is the difference between CMA, CPA, ACCA, CA? This is a question which is generally encountered to us as professionals, and the student is asking for a guideline and a help so we can assist them in choosing a right degree for him. Certified Management Accounting is a highly acceptable and highly reputed degree in Middle East and all over the world, which develop your skills to assist management for taking their decisions. It's like an eye for the management, which help you to understand the production, your sales, marketing, your market dynamics, your finance, your accounting. So you should have a multiple skills which we develop through this Certified Management Accountancy. Comparing yourself with CPA and ACCA, these are this are also highly acceptable degrees, but the perspective is different. For management accounting, the reporting structure is internal. For ACCA, CPA, the structure is external. You have to follow international accounting standard or the gaps if you are in US. And for management accounting, he is going to base the structure of the reporting on his internal company policies and regulations. Apparently, if you see that both degrees are very important, because you need internal strength through CMA and you need external reporting with the help of a CPA and ACCA. So it's merely impossible to say that which profession you have to choose. You have to see what is your skills, your abilities, what is your what is your attitude towards business operations, and then you can decide which profession you have to go for. But apparently CMA, CPA, CA, ACCA, these are all good professions to continue your career. If you have any further questions, you can visit to our website www.berkeleyme.com, or you can contact us by email at info@berkeleyme.com. Thank you very much for your patience.